Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back, my esteemed students, to a new lesson of English. Lesson number 8, and the title of this lesson is Water for Life. In this lesson, we will talk about the importance of life, the importance of water in our life. So, draw your attention carefully to this lesson. Let's begin our tasks. The first one is number A, work in pairs. Think of 3 reasons why water is important. As you all know, water is so important in our lives. So what are these reasons behind this importance? Yes, we can say, for example, we drink water, we drink it, so it's important to be alive. We wash things using it. Trees and plants, animals and human beings, all of these creatures need water to be alive. So here are some uses of water. We drink it, trees and plants need it to grow, we wash in it, and we wash food and clothes in it. These are the most important uses of water. Now let's do number B. Draw a line to match the beginning from 1 to 5 to the endings from A to D of these sentences about water. You need to use one of the endings twice. Number 1. About 70% of the Earth's surface, etc. 70% of human body weight. Number 3. About 70% of the Earth's fresh water. Only 1.5% of the Earth's water. And finally, the scientific formula for water. Yes, the endings are: is fresh water, is ice in Antarctic, is ice in Antarctica. Number C is water. Number D is H2O. Let's do this exercise. Number 1. About 70% of the Earth's surface, yes, is water. Number 2. 70% of human body weight is water also. Number 3. About 70% of the Earth's fresh water is ice in Antarctica. Number 4. Only 1.5% of the Earth's water is fresh water. And finally, the scientific formula for water is H2O. So it has 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 of oxygen. Here are the answers. You can check your answers and compare them with these answers. Now practice number C. Work in pairs. Look at the picture. Discuss what's happening. Then fill in the missing words in the topic web. Here we have a picture. We have seen here 2 camels. 2 camels. Some people who are using water here. So the woman here she's washing her clothes, and this man or this boy, let's say, is raising water using a rod or something. On the right we can see water in the middle, in the center, and we have energy, sources, uses, life, settlement, and finally we have weather, climate. Let's begin from the first one, energy. Yes, on the right side we have sources. What are the sources of water? We can see rivers, wells, springs, etc. Uses. We use water in transportation. We use it in agriculture if we want to raise crops. We use it in industry. Life. Drinking water, irrigation. Yes, it's so important for drinking, for irrigation, for plants, animals, human beings, and so on. Settlement. Yes, supply. And finally, for weather and climate, we have rainfall. So here in the spaces we can put these words. In the section of sources we put wells and springs, and for uses we put agriculture and industry, and under the title of life we put plants and animals. Number D. Read the text, then answer the questions. People need water to live and to grow crops. So where do people choose to live? Early settlers looked for a regular supply of fresh water. The Bedouins settled in oases near waterholes. Examples of good places to settle were along the Nile, Tigris, and Euphrates rivers. In Europe, settlements began in valleys near rivers, streams, pools, lakes, springs, and wells. So here the settlement of the human beings related to the places of water. The Bedouins settled in oases near waterholes, and the European settled in valleys near rivers, streams, lakes, springs, and wells. Number 1. Summarize the text by adding just 3 words to the statement. The text is about why people. Here we have to add just 3 words. It's right, yes. The text is about why people live near water. Live near water. Number 2. Underline 8 sources of water in the text. We have 8 sources of water here in this text. Number 1, oases. 2, waterholes. Number 3, rivers. 4, streams. 5, pools. 6, lakes. 7, springs. And finally number 8, wells. So these 8 sources were mentioned in the previous text. Let's see the answers. They are here in front of you, my dear students. Live near water. The 8 sources of water are oases, waterholes, rivers, streams, pools, lakes, springs, and wells. Now let's do number E. Mark the sources of water S. Here we have to put the letter S. If this source is still here means, what is the meaning of still? Still means it doesn't move. The source here, the water doesn't move. Or R for running water. So R for running water, I mean here running water, the water which flows or moves from one place to another place. Number 1, river. Yes, R, because running water. River is running water. Number 2, lake. S, still. The water is still. Number 3, pool. Also here the water is still. It doesn't move. Number 4, stream. Stream has still water also. Sorry, stream has running water. The water moves from one place to another place in streams like the rivers. Number 5, oasis, still, and finally number 6 is or still. So all of these has still water except the rivers and the streams have running water. Here are the answers in front of you. River and stream running, whereas the others are still. They are still. Let's come back to our workbook. Number A, look again to your topic web in exercise number C on course book, page number 25. Complete the 5 sentences about water. Number 1, river water is used for. Number 1, river water is used for space people and goods. Yeah. Number 2, space hydroelectric power. Hydroelectric power. Number 3. Number 3 here. Space is needed by another space. Number 4. Space also is used by another space. Number 5 is used for. Answers. Number 1. River water is used for transporting people and goods. For transporting people and goods. Number 2. Water is stored in dams to generate hydroelectric power. Water is stored in dams to generate hydroelectric power. Number 3. Water is needed by all plants and animals. Water is needed by all plants and animals. Number 4. Water is used by industry. And finally, number 5, we can say water is used for irrigation crops. Irrigation here means watering crops. By doing this exercise, we can conclude our lesson. I want to say to all my esteemed students, study hard, and finally, goodbye. See you in the next class or in the next lesson. Goodbye.